In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Asana. Duplicating a project is really useful when you have a structure that already works well and you want to reuse it without rebuilding everything from scratch. Maybe you have a standard onboarding checklist, a recurring campaign, or a template you use for clients. Instead of manually recreating all those tasks, subtasks, and sections, you can just duplicate the project and start from there. First, open Asana and navigate to the project you want to duplicate. Make sure you're looking at the correct project, because whatever is inside this project right now will form the basis of your duplicate. Take a quick moment to confirm that the sections, task names, and layout are how you want them, so you don't have to clean up as much later. At the top of the screen, look for the project name. Right beside the project name, you'll see a small arrow icon. This arrow opens a drop-down menu with options related to the project. Move your cursor over that arrow and click it. If you don't see it right away, try hovering near the project name or expanding the window so the full header is visible. Once you click the arrow, a menu will appear with several actions you can take on the project. In this list, look for the option labeled Duplicate. This is a command that tells Asana to copy the current project. Go ahead and click on Duplicate. After clicking Duplicate, Asana may show you a small dialog box, depending on your plan and interface version. Here, you can usually choose what you want to include in the copy, such as task descriptions, assignees, due dates, and attachments. If you see these options, think about how you plan to use this duplicate. For a true template, you might want to remove assignees and dates so you start clean. For a recurring project where the structure and responsible people stay the same, you might keep those settings. Once you're happy with those options, confirm the duplication. Asana will create a new project that looks just like the original, often with copy or a similar label added to the name. You can then rename this new project to something more meaningful, adjust any details, and start working without having to rebuild everything. That's all there is to it. By using the duplicate option from the arrow next to your project name, you can quickly reuse your best project setups and keep your work organized and consistent.